we have to plot the points P, R, and S in coordinate plane and draw angle PRS. Next, we have to classify the angle. And we have to give example of point that lies in the interior of the angle. So let's first draw XY plane. Because we have only positive coordinates, so we need only first quadrant of our XY plane. Let's choose the unit 1. This is our x-axis, our y-axis. Always the first coordinate is x, the second is y. X, y, x, y. So first point has coordinates 1, 4. 1, and on y we have to find 4. 2, 3, 4. So approximately this is our point P. Next we have R 0, 0. So this is our point R. And point S is 2, 0. For x is 2, 1, 2, and for y is 0. So this point is on x-axis. This is our S. Now we have to draw the angle PRS. It means the vertex is in our point. So this is our vertex. This is our approximately something like this angle. This is our angle PRS. First we have to classify the angle. We have vertex at point 0, 0. So it will be very easy to classify our angle because the second side is in first quadrant, and we know that first quadrant is from 0 to 90 degrees. So this is less than 90 degrees. So it means that our angle is acute. Let's write this. We have acute angle. Because measure of angle PRS is between 0 and 90 degrees. Next, we have to give the coordinates of a point that lies in the interior of the angle. We know that a point is in the interior of angle if it is between points that lies on each side of the angle. So we have to find point which is between side RS and RP. So let's choose, for example, point first coordinate will be x and the second 1. So let's put that this is our point A and has coordinates 2, 1. This point is between sides RS and RP. So this point is interior point. This is my solution.